This classic Thai dessert, famously served as a street treat, is known as khao muang or mango sticky rice. It is heavily and scrumptious. Nowadays, many Thai restaurants throughout the world feature this menu at their establishments. Taste of this tropical rice pudding is irresistible, and it reminds the old days of the
Hi guys, today I will show you how to do mango sticky rice. Okay, the ingredient is very unique to the country of Thailand, the tiny small country in Southeast Asia, but have the big flavor and uniqueness of how to master and using the coconut for the dessert fats from the coconut oil, coconut milk. Originally, I like to show you how to do the hand grating coconut from the coconut shell, but I don't have the kind of tools yet since I'm practicing to crack the coconut shell by my hands since I was young. That remind me, my dad told me how to crack and grate coconut milk by hands early in the morning, that he really liked to wake me up while he was going to the market in the morning, and he wake me up to take over the kitchen like wow my god, I'm crying talking about my dad and that all day. I'm so thankful that he gave me the opportunity to take over the back of the kitchen that I do. He assigned my job to do like we call it dang tao. It means like to light the stove, like a charcoal stove in the back of the house that we set up for the open air kitchen. To doนึ่งข้าวเหนียว that's kind of steamers with a different shape, but I choose to use this kind of shape because I will show you why. It's kind of secret. There are many secrets on this sticky rice mango, but many secrets, so you can try my recipe. All know my secret. Coconut cream I use today is different type, but the same company, the product of Thailand of course. This one is bigger, I call it coconut cream, and this one is coconut milk. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna call this one is hang kati for at the moment, and this I'm gonna call is huo kati, the head and the tail. So the head is more like a thicker, condensed, richer. So I'm gonna use this one to mix with the rice, and this one I'm gonna make for the sauce, the white sauce. Okay, the sugar I use today is pretty small amount for the rice, so I don't want the rice too sweet. Alright, let's get started. Okay, many brands of the sticky rice available at the Asian market in the States, and today I soak it 3 to 5 hours. Next, I'm gonna show you how to crack coconut. It's gonna be a little tricky. And the knife I use is clever, and I grab tightly, knock. Gonna insert. Now, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready for another secret? For the sticky rice, I soak and wash with alum. It's called san som in Thailand. You kind of wash until it's dissolved. Ta-da! Here I have water on high, bamboo steamer, the rice in. Another secret, the reason why I have this kind of steamer, there are many types of bamboo steamer in the market that you can find in the Asian store, but I really like this one because you can see the edge here. It can be fit perfectly for the bowl. I can use as a double boiler and make the temperature of coconut milk to be close enough to the steam rice. Now sugar in and coconut milk goes in. I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt, and I kind of use the spoon to just swirling. Let me check real quick. Oh, that's perfect. About 15 minutes cook. You can see here. The coconut is on top. It's about ready. This is the fun part. My mom used to call it seed khao. Shaking, throw it in the air and catch it with this basket. Lift it up. It's fun. The sticky rice goes in. Wow, so beautiful. I like it. Use this wooden spoon to just mix. So I kind of talam the technique gently, you know, try not to like laugh on it. No, slowly move, you know, around the edge. Try to mix it like you make love with the rice. See? And then kind of pushing around and mix it evenly. Ooh. Ah! Yes. Every part make it stirry. Okay. Let's make it nice, smooth. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ooh. Look at that. Ooh. And now. Wow! My God! It's so good! Ooh. This kind of brand of rice is so good. Wow! You guys. Oh. Pressure. Wow. Oh, wow. Yes, yes, yes. Now I'm done. Done. Set aside. Perfect. And here, the pan, the hankati. And drop in there. Ooh, it's thicker than I thought. That's cool. Do not throw your can away yet. Now use the coconut water that I crack open. Run the coconut water into the can. So cut up. And add flour here. You can see the edge starting to thickening and keep stirring. Looking good and smells so good. Smell very creamy. Coconut. Oh! I'm so excited for the final product now. Okay, and then lower the heat to low heat and keep stirring. Now add coconut water, and yes, I think it's perfect. Now burn it off. Let me taste. It's hot. Sweet enough but not too sweet. How about that? Here I have the mango, and I use the Thai knife. Start from here and use the index finger to guide and push forward. I like to do that way. It's kind of curved. So you try to run your knife just one stroke at a time. Okay, here we have mango. One handful, kind of make a shape. There. Mango. We kind of cut that 45-degree angle and put it on top like that. And now make it nice. The creamy stuff. You can use a squeeze bottle, but I like to use the spoon. Up and then woohoo! The roast mung bean here to put on top. Look at that! Whoa! Perfect. Now I have mango sticky rice. Yay! Here we are. The moment of truth. I'm gonna try this one. So let's see how it turned out. Yeah, I think I need more sauce. So mango is delicious. So good. Last bite. Wow. Alright, thank you so much for watching today. If you want me to cook any menu like spicy, sassy, naughty cooking, please leave me a comment down below. And also, if you're new here to my channel, just please subscribe if you like it, or spread the news, like and share, okay? And see you next time. Bye.